Good day from Ewagoyin TiDe Restaurant. As you dey see this Ewa, e just dey fresh, e just dey jolly. One of my customer just call me make we pack Ewa Agoyin. As we dey pack am, we decided to show how we dey pack am. We don pack am so tey we come mix the sauce, pour everything, we come mesh am. See as we dey mesh am, we just dey mesh am. As we just dey mesh am, we come dey package am for different container because the customer order for 2 pack. As you see the 2 pack like this, I just dey pack am. I don dey pack am, we come dey say make we dey introduce the sauce. So see as the sauce dey just dey shine. See as the Ewa Agoyin ata sauce. See as the sauce just dey jollificate. E dey shine well well. See as the oil fresh, e just dey give me that vibes. So as we dey just dey pour am, the customer say, oh, make we add plantain, make we add pomo, make we add jejakika, make we add plantain. As we just dey add am, he say make we even join bread join. We don dey join the bread already as you dey see am for the video. We don join the bread so tey the customer come dey disturb us say dem dey hungry. Na so I call my dispatch rider make he come pick am. He don pick am, so he just say make we go deliver am. As you don hear, make we drop our vision, make you come know about us. Good day. At Ewagoyin TiDe Restaurant, we serve Ewagoyin freshly prepared, hot and timely. Booking earlier makes it available as to work with our vision. We don't sell yesterday beans, either do we make excess beans. Sorry for those we must have offended and you didn't get because you didn't get to know about our vision and contacted us to check us in the late hours of the day. We operate between Mondays to Fridays. Your feedback means everything to us. We are not a perfect brand, but a green brand. Thank you for always patronizing and thank you for staying tuned.